We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a good job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. And here's the exact 5-star review that one customer left about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thanks for watching. Call us today. We look forward to working with you. Call us today at the number on your screen. Have a great day.